Hello, welcome back to another update of AI Assist. I have two features that I want to demo today, and they are both improvements of the performance. So the first one is stop sequences, and the second one is I've reduced the number of calls. So I'm gonna just have to quickly change my screen so you can actually see it. Right now when I start typing, you will see at the bottom of the screen right here where it will give the prompt, so whatever I'm typing. So, and before, what was happening is every character that I type would become a new one, a new line. That was causing way too many calls to the API, because usually what people will do is they would start typing df pd read, and now what you will see is that it waits half a second. And now the only prompt is df pd.read. So it wasn't like df equals. So that's a great addition. It reduces the number of calls. The second thing is the stop sequences. So it's quite easy to demonstrate. Like we have some imports in Python here. And if I just remove this, it will now give the suggestion spd, which is, in my opinion, a great suggestion. What was happening before is the following, and I can demonstrate it by just adding a new blank line. Now if I go back and I remove the SPD, now you will see it will give a much larger suggestion. What I've seen happen more often is that it would actually do this kind of suggestion: import numpy as np, which we already had on line 4. So this still requires a bit of fine-tuning, because right now if you have a one white space between it won't work. Maybe that's fine. Maybe we need to trim the white space. I think we need to trim the white space, because if we trim the white space, then most of the time it's actually a pretty good suggestion, but not always, because it's still a fairly simple model, so it can get lost into a different path, and then it does find the import numpy as np, and it just gets a stop sequence. You can also see the stop sequences in the log. Works fairly well. And in this case, there's not a logical solution to rename mat, so it will come up with new imports, which is fine in this case. I think the next thing is that we're gonna have to think of more stop sequences, and that will also improve the quality. If you have any questions, contact me on Slack or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.